It's your boy Skinny P coming to you live from the 240. You know, today we going buck wild, buck nasty, buck crazy up in this mother. Nah, right now we got a 2-hour and 15-minute drive to Philly. It's Thursday, July 20-something Thursday, and we're staying in Philly till Saturday. So we got Tuner Evo on Saturday. We got a lot of stuff to do. The car just got ceramic coated. The car's looking pretty as hell. There's a lot of stuff going on right now. It's mad hot outside. We're gonna get there at 7 o'clock. It's like 4:40 right now. And you guys are gonna have an awesome vlog. You got me and Gabe one more time. So yeah, I know you like us more than Anton.
Alright guys, so this is Jodell, and he just got his car ceramic pro, and we're gonna test it out today. Where's the beating, bro? Yo, look at his face.
What do you mean? The beaded right there.
Look at his face.
And I'm gonna have wet spots on the side.
Okay, get the rag. It's in the car.
That's a rag specifically for something else.
Alright,
so right now
so small.
we're gonna put on the nigga. You moving mad fast, bro. You got confidence like that?
How am I supposed to even judge where it's supposed to be if I can't
you
take
got
the sticker
confidence
off?
like that, move as fast as you need to move.
Yo.
But look at the picture at where they go. Seriously, I don't need you to mess up. We got these stickers
Hold your phone.
from Low Fat Customs out of Canada.
Why don't you just record after I put one on?
No, we're gonna report the process.
Yo, forget the process.
Alright, too much pressure? Fine, I'll
Yeah,
stop.
that annoys me.
Spent
12 grand on paint jobs.
You spent 12 grand on paint jobs. So we tried to put the decals on, stickers, decals, whatever. They did not stick at all. Messages the guy I bought them from. We're gonna see what's up. This camera's about to die and we're about to have a photo shoot. I don't know why they didn't stick, but I don't think I'm gonna have them on in time for Tuner Evo. Alright, first world problem, stickers,
It didn't
right?
stick at all. Like, when I put it on first, it just lifted. I was like, wait, what?
Yeah. So we'll be rocking bareface wheels for now, and then once maybe we need a heat gun. I don't know. We have a heat gun. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. We'll try. But yeah.
Holy Jesus! What is that? What the fuck is that?
Oh man, it's 9:12 right now. We're driving to Chinatown so I can try out my ice light and have a photo shoot of this car. And hopefully the roads over here aren't too bad.
Oh my god. Yo, I got that on film. Yo, we just hit the craziest divot.
Oh man, I definitely...
Yo, Jodell's car sounded like it just bottomed the fuck out.
Definitely shot sparks. Like,
That was crazy.
oh man, that was all my exhaust. How much you want to bet?
Yo, that was
the
hilarious.
circle looks like this. Like it's a circle and then a straight line.
Oh my god.
Woo! As you guys can see, this light is great. Oh man, we're here. This is hard. Light painting is hard. You can see this shot right there. Gabe's holding the light. You probably can't even hear me because of how loud it is. But this is the shot right there. I'm trying. Yeah, it's hard. Yo, I look fire right now, son. Nah, it's mad light. Nah, that was hard. I got one shot. I got one. Ew, switch it back to the blue. I got one shot. Nah, I got one shot, and I mean, I tried. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna come back. I tried. I took some shots with the film camera. It's gonna look fire, like 1990s Japan. We got. Oh, speaking of Japan, she got the Tokyo shirt on. Woo! The flames.
The Tokyos.
Let's give a quick run around with the car real quick, Gabe. Alright, so for all y'all that saying that my car is not purple, my car is purple.
Why'd you stop?
Oh, I thought I got a dent. My car is dusty as hell in the back, but the car is purple. Just a little quick walk around. The wheels is bronze. They came out fire. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
Get a close-up shot of that shit.
Yeah, here you go with them ugly brakes, but the stickers didn't go on because of the ceramic. Oh, you can like actually see the. That's the paint. That is the paint. There we go, paint boys. Yo, can someone that lives in Philly tell me why gas is $3.62? Like, I know gas in New York is high. Nigga, the gas is $3.62. Y'all niggas is wildin', son. This nigga is knocked out. This is the first time that we are looking at the car after a rain or anything, and as you can see, there's literally no water on the side because the water beat it off and fell. All the water is on flat surfaces where it really couldn't fall off because it's flat. But
the second the car moves.
But the second I do anything, yeah, you can see it's like literally. Wait, hold on. I know. Bye bye. So guys, this is since everyone's gonna ask me how much, I got this done at Supreme Shine. It's a shop out in Long Island. I wish I was sponsored, but this is sponsored. But they're just really, really good, so I'm gonna plug them. It was done at Supreme Shine. It was $4.75 for the bronze package, which includes a 2-year warranty and some other stuff that I really have no idea because I don't look into it. And then it was $75. Since Anton hates when I do that, it was $75 an hour for prep. So if you have a brand new car coming out of paint and you just go straight, there's obviously not gonna be much prep because the car's already perfect paint, everything is good. But
it's good.
I had a lot of prep because I had a lot of scratches, but it's really dope because literally nothing is on the side of the car at all. And it also includes doing your wheels and everything. Tomorrow's Tuner Evo. I'll be there with Gabe. I'm gonna be showing my car with Tough Club. This is a 90s style build. That is good fitment for the 90s. That's how they ran it. Okay guys, my grandpa is telling me what I should do with the car, and he's gonna say it.
You have to put a new motor with the shiny caps. When you open the hook, you look then really.
Yeah, you hear this guy? I need a new motor. So clearly, I have a nice looking car, but it's trash on the inside. So, I mean,
don't worry, just give it a couple.
I'm gonna
just get the RB when I get my RB.
You know what you should do with all the money that you spend in the motor and you should have put at the beginning a new motor.
I didn't have money.
What do you mean?
So how
you
much
had the money for the
already in this motor?
You could have had an RB with it.
I could have. You know what it is? I don't have anywhere to do that. I literally don't have, because the car would have to sit for like a year while I build it.
No.
You would have had like a 6'2".
That's in New York. I mean, in Florida.
That's
what I'm saying.
Gabe has literally never been to Golden Corral.
Yeah, and then.
I mean, if you live in New York, you obviously don't know what Golden. No, you obviously know what Golden Corral is.
I just never went.
But if you don't live in New York, you know what it is. I mean, I don't even know if that sense just makes sense.
Never go to Applebee's in Florida.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. You literally have no idea what Golden Corral is?
I've always seen like 3 commercials.
Golden Corral is a buffet with every single type of food. You pay like $15 and you can get as much food as you want, any type of food you want, no matter what you want, as much.
So we rolling out here?
But we can't leave, take the food with us.
No, I'm saying we rolling out here?
Yeah. Dude, help me put it on there.
Just do something dumb. Yo, I can't.
Alright guys, so right now we're gonna go to find some Hot Wheels. Let's go before y'all niggas get done.
Oh my god.
So I'll see you guys in the next one. Sign it off. You already know. Woof woof.
Just say woof woof.
Nah, for real, I'm off this. I think I lost my girlfriend.
Circus.